Hi everyone, I'm Jordan with the Karcher. Thank you for watching my overview video. This is going to be on the FC5 floor cleaner. If you're looking for a light, very simple way to maintain a lot of your hard floor systems, this may very well be the machine for you. So let's go ahead and get started. So once we have unboxed our FC5, you'll notice that the fresh solution tank is mounted right here in the front of the machine. You have this little black portion. If you just pull up on that, you can then gain access to this fresh water tank right here. So we can pull this cap right here. Your fresh water and clean solution, the detergent of your choice, will go right in there. That way it is a much cleaner, much more sanitary system than using the standard old mop and bucket. You will also notice here in the front of the unit it actually has two microfiber rollers. This is what is actually dispensing the solution as well as abrading and taking the dirt off of our surface. If you just slightly twist these guys, you can actually see that the microfiber rollers are in fact color coded and they actually do go on different sides. So green to green and blue to blue. We also have microfiber rollers that actually have different color strands in the roller. That way if you want to use one set, say in the kitchen or in the office space, you can use a second set of rollers for the bathroom or another area so that you actually don't cross-contaminate the rollers. So now we're going to go ahead and get ready for operation inside the facility. So we'll fill the solution tank up in front. We can then go ahead and plug our unit into any regular 110 line anywhere inside of your home or your office. We will mount the fresh solution tank in front, and then we just simply press the on button and it will start spinning and dropping solution.
And again, we'll be able to do a wide variety of hard floor surfaces, rolled sheet goods, hardwood, concrete floors such as you see here. We have different rollers to prevent cross-contamination. We also have rollers for textured surfaces.
So once we had a chance to use the FC5 on our flooring systems, there's a couple different things that we should do as far as maintenance. You can see that the rollers can get impacted with dirt, so we can do a couple things. I'm going to show you how to actually clean this in the FC5 stand that comes with the unit. We actually also can put these in the dishwasher. They in fact are dishwasher safe, so that is something that we can absolutely do with those rollers once we've had a chance to actually use it to clean. The other thing is that you will see this gray touch point right here in anthracite. If you actually depress that unit, you can then pull this yellow portion of the cowling forward. So what that'll do is it'll actually give you access to a couple of things. You can see the portion right here where some dirt and hair may accumulate. That is where those brush rollers, those microfiber rollers, are rolling and contacting that surface. You also see the inlets right here for the vacuum. This is where the vacuum recovery is pulling up that water and dirt and coming up these little outlets right there. It then is recovered into the dirty water recovery tank.
The FC5 tray that it comes with actually can be really handy for a couple of uses. One, if we put a little bit of water in it and then submerge that unit, we can go ahead and pulse it and pre-wet those rollers as we're getting ready to clean inside of our facility. To thoroughly clean the system, if you put a little bit more water in it and go ahead and pulse it or run it for a few seconds, it will flush those rollers, help all that dirt and sediment to come out of the rollers. It will then be recovered into the recovery tank, so it has a chance to clean all of those lines and those hoses. When ready, we can go ahead and depress this little piece here in back and remove the entire dirty water recovery tank. We can then take it to a slop sink or a sink of some kind. We will be able to dump and rinse out all the sediment, bacteria, and soil that we have gathered with the FC5 and clean it and rinse it, and we'll be able to let it air dry for the next shift.
Thank you for watching our brief overview video on the FC5 floor cleaner right here. If you have any further questions, please contact your local area Karcher distributor. They'll be able to assist you. You can also contact your local area Karcher manager and maybe have a demonstration of this piece inside of your own facility. Until I see you on the next video, keep it clean.